The industry pitch for modern AI hardware focuses on life-changing digital companions that seamlessly anticipate your every need. But checking the fine print reveals a different strategy. Companies frequently rely on up to caveats, like up to 2 times faster, to legally protect performance claims that have no basis in real-world use. When these devices reach the public, the results are often underwhelming. The Humane AI Pin, marketed as a screenless smartphone replacement, shipped with a restrictive touch surface that struggled to execute basic commands. The Rabbit R1 faced very similar criticism. Teardowns revealed its vision interface isn't a standalone ecosystem, but a series of web wrappers communicating with remote servers to simulate an app experience. A consistent gap between marketing claims and device performance suggests the issue originates in the internal corporate culture that approved their release. This practice is known as AI washing. It involves rebranding basic, existing algorithms with the artificial intelligence label to increase a product's perceived value. Bayer recently eliminated over 12,000 roles in a restructuring designed to remove management layers and reduce internal bureaucracy. Leadership frequently cites AI integration as the reason for these cuts. Claiming AI handles coordination tasks, companies aggressively eliminate middle management to increase short-term financial margins. This creates what is known as a vetocracy. It is a corporate structure so heavily optimized for safety and efficiency that any manager in the chain can veto a risky new idea before it reaches development. While these massive cuts appease shareholders today, they remove middle managers holding the political capital required to protect new concepts through the hierarchy. Jack Dorsey argues that replacing employees with AI co-pilots doesn't make an organization more intelligent. It simply makes a broken hierarchy slightly cheaper to maintain. This creates an innovation gap. As AI cost-cutting spikes, internal innovation drops. To hide the lack of real R&D, a bubble of marketing hype inflates to maintain the appearance of progress. This results in half-baked prototypes, rushed to market just to keep pace with competitors. Large corporations have become rigid environments, where the speed and failure tolerance required for true breakthroughs are systematically suppressed. This cycle of manufactured innovation has physical consequences. The result is an environmental crisis driven by the production of disposable hardware. United Nations data shows that global electronic waste is currently growing 5 times faster than documented electronics recycling efforts. Planned obsolescence and the release of failed AI gadgets contribute directly to these overflowing landfills. Consumers often pay a premium for experimental devices that do not function as advertised, while increasing the industry's environmental footprint. One systemic response is external venture building. This involves developing technology in small, agile teams outside the traditional corporate hierarchy, allowing them to bypass the internal vetocracy. For consumers, the clearest defense is to ignore AI hardware marketing until the industry demonstrates it has resolved its internal structural issues. Longevity and the right to repair provide a concrete standard for technological progress. Devices like the Galaxy S25 Ultra, which recently received high repairability scores, offer a more reliable investment than hyped gadgets. Genuine innovation focuses on technology that solves real problems and endures, a shift away from rushed devices built primarily to influence stock prices.